Welcome to SolidCAM Professor. I'm Sydney, your SolidCAM Professor, with one of many videos available to you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. In this recording, we'll go through the process of choosing our tool and our levels for our profile operation. First, we'll go into Tool. As we go down the list, we'll just click on Tool, and then we have the options for selecting our tool. We'll click on Select. And in this particular case, I'd like to take an end mill that I have here already. That's a 25 millimeter end mill. I've taken a 25 millimeter end mill for the simple reason that the distance between this wall and this wall is a total of 20 millimeters. And it's a large tool that will take away a large amount of material. We'll deal with the small corners in another operation. So as I said, I'll start with a 25 millimeter end mill. We'll start with that 25 millimeter end mill, and also note that just as in any operation that we have in profile, we always have a separate data for our tool so that we can have control of our feeds and speeds in this particular operation and not go according to the defaults if we want to. We'll just leave it the way it is right now, and then we'll go into levels. In our levels, we have our clearance level, which is the clearance level that it will jump up to every single time it goes between steps, taking into consideration, if needed, any kind of clamps that you may be having that's above the top of the part itself. We have our safety distance, and then we have our upper level. Our upper level is where we actually are starting to mill from. I'll click on upper level and just click on the top surface. In this particular case, since the very top of the part, it's 0. Now my profile depth, I'll actually click at the very bottom of the part and it put in the value of 15 millimeters. If I want to go a touch deeper on the part itself, all I'll do is go into my delta and put in a value of, say, minus 0.5 millimeters. In other words, a half millimeter past the bottom edge over there. And this is choosing our levels. Note that I particularly chose it from the part itself, this way keeping the associativity to the part at all times. For more videos on SolidCAM Professor, please go to our website www.solidcam.com and look for the tab called SolidCAM Professor. Thank you for joining us on SolidCAM Professor. Take care and have a nice day.